Hey 6-1. The objective of this lesson is for you to be able to understand the difference between millimeters, centimeters, and meters, and when to use those measurements, and the appropriate tool that should be used in different situations. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is get this paper from the mailbox. So pause the video and go get it. And now that you have your paper, you're going to do what good scientists do first, and that is make predictions. So I want you to read through the items to be measured, and I want you to predict what you think you should use to measure those. For example, the first one, the height of the lab station. That is the cart right in front of the agenda board. And so do you think that you should use a ruler, which would be millimeters and centimeters, because you just already completed that activity, or should you use a meter stick? Now, a meter stick is 100 centimeters long. Okay, so if I can back up here. Okay. Now this one is really cool because it has the colored sections on both sides. Not all of them are like that. So I want you to make predictions by circling. Do you think it should be the items should be measured using meters, that meter stick? Circle the M. Or could you get by with using a ruler in centimeters, or would it be better to give that measurement in millimeters? Okay, so when we think about it, meters are probably about maybe like chest high to some of you, or yeah, chest high. That would be 1 meter. So would you be using that big length? Centimeters, remember, centimeters are about the width of your pinky. Okay, and millimeters are really teeny tiny, like the width of a dime. So if I had a dime pinched between my fingers, that would be a millimeter. Okay, so once you have those predictions made by circling in every single one of those items, then you're going to actually get a meter stick and a ruler, and you're going to measure those things and see if you were correct. Okay, so if you find that maybe something should be measured in centimeters, but you put meters, then use your ruler and measure it. So measure it with the correct tool once you get there, and you figure out, oh, this is a lot smaller, or this is a lot bigger than what I really thought it was. So be respectful of the classmates, because not everyone is at this same activity, and just work as quietly as you can. Let me know if you need anything, because remember, the objective is that you understand the difference in using the correct measuring tools when it comes to millimeters, centimeters, and meters. Okay, and as always, don't forget, go Hawks!